Hello all, welcome to another video on the GATE Data Science and Artificial Intelligence paper. This solution for one of the sample questions. My name is Aditya Agrawal and I am a graduate from IIT Madras. So this is question number 49 of the sample paper. What is the output of the following program? Int I equal to 1. There are two variables declared I and j, I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. Third line declares a for loop and the initial expression is missing, so it can be considered as whatever is the last value of I that becomes a part of the initialization. I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. If I mod 3 is not equal to 0, then you increment j by 2 and continue. If j mod 3 is equal to 0, you break and you print the value of I plus j. And they are telling which is the following answer for this question. So what we will do is we will take different values of I, corresponding value of j. So I loops from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And initially the value of j is 1. And for the first iteration I equal to 1, you can see that the if condition at line number 5 will be true because I is not divisible by 3. So you increment j by 2 and then you continue. So what continue does is the control now comes to the header of the loop. When I is equal to 2, then again the condition at line number 5 is true and j is incremented to 5. Now when I is equal to 3, this condition at 5 is false because 3 is divisible by 3. So you go to the sixth line of the loop, sixth line of the program, which is if j percentage 3 is equal to 0. In this case it is not 0. So j remains 5 as it is. When I is 4, again I percentage 3 is not equal to 0, so I is not divisible by 3. You increment j by 2. Similarly, when I is equal to 5, so you continue, so you go to the next iteration. So when I is equal to 5, I is again not divisible by 3, so you increment j by 2 and continue. When I is equal to 6, it is divisible by 3, which is line number 5 is false. So it goes to line number 6, and also the j is also divisible by 3 now. So you break from the loop. So at this point, you are breaking from the loop, right? And then you are printing the value of I plus j. So you print the value 15, and option D is the right answer. Why is option again? So few people might be confused as to why we are not doing the increment. So increment will only happen, this increment here, right, present here. It only happens when a loop has been executed successfully. So typical flow of the loop is the initialization expression is executed once, then the condition is checked, loop is executed, and after the loop is executed, the increment expression is executed. So over here, when I had a break, it was an abrupt termination of the loop. So that's why it never got to increment, you never got to go to the increment expression. So that is why the increment won't happen, and that's why you'll get the output as 15, right? So hope you understand this output. Hope you understand the working of this program. If you have any questions, any feedback, feel free to comment down below. Like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Thank you.